So, Danny, what is the special food of Hong Kong? What's a typical food?
Now, the Hong Kong people eat food divided into 4 different seasons, just to get the yin and yang balance out. Like for instance, on the autumn times, we'll eat snake soup. In the winter, we'll eat tonic soup.
Right.
And in spring, we'll eat more greens.
Right. So what's the sort of food you eat all year round?
For food all year round, has to be dim sum.
Dim sum?
Yes, dim sum.
Now, dim sum I know means touch your heart lightly.
Yes.
That's lovely, that.
Yes, but actually it means small steamed dumplings. Well, but nowadays the dumplings is not only steamed. We pan fry them, we deep fry them, we do so many things with them.
Can I have some dim sum?
I'm going to show you to a very, very good dim sum restaurant now.
Okay, lead on.
Follow me.
Danny, this is obviously a very popular restaurant. This is one of Hong Kong's best dim sum restaurants.
Yes, this is one of the best dim sum restaurants in Hong Kong. The name is good, called Superstar.
Superstar.
That's right.
How many restaurants do they have now? 7?
7.
Wow, this looks delicious.
Yes,
What is this?
This is a pan fried bun.
Right.
Inside will be pork.
Pork.
Inside there. And then one thing good about it is underneath the crust.
Just burn it.
Just burn it. Just good.
Lovely. Now, this looks delicious.
Yeah. Now this actually looks like an abalone, right? And then with the shrimp rolls and a bit of abalone, and then the fish braise and mushroom at the bottom. Now, dim sum is something. It's like a delicacy.
And this looks beautiful. What's this?
Yes. Oh, this is just we call it with vegetables and with pork dumplings.
Pork dumplings. There's some more dumplings over here.
Yeah, this is a shrimp dumplings in here.
So it's mostly a selection of dumplings dim sum.
Yes,
basically.
dumpling dim sums.
And these are kind of like spring roll.
No, well, steam bring.
And what's in this?
Inside there will be meat inside there with a cover with the flour roll and with a special kind of soy sauce.
Well, that looks fantastic and delicious,
Yes.
and I can't wait to taste it. So let's get stuck in. So what's the history of dim sum?
Well, dim sum originated, it was in the southern province of mainland China, the Guangdong provinces, in Guangzhou. In the old days, it's only the very rich people that eat it. And then they make it in various delicacies. It forms very beautiful. And gradually, it gets to be more commonized and more people start eating it. You didn't tell me exact dates, nobody can answer the exact dates, but it can be hundreds of years old.
It's very fluffy. It's
yes,
nice.
it's crunchy and it's nice. If you like to try a little bit of this XO chili sauce, that would be great.
These are deep fried fish balls. I'm going to use my fingers here. Try it in the chili sauce. So you say it was delicacy. The rich people used to eat it.
Yes.
That's how it started.
Yes, and then they make it very nice. Sometimes they make it like a seagull or in like a bird shape or a fish shape to show the prestige of the family.
What I've noticed is the texture is very different for each one.
Yeah.
It's lovely. Well, how do you make this? Is it relatively easy?
It's very easy. I can show you right now.
Would you?
Yeah.
Oh, I'd love to see it being
Come on,
made.
follow me.
Not only is dim sum delicious, but we've got a real coup here. Chef Shen has come out into the restaurant to show us how to make dim sum. It's a real privilege. Thank you very much. So, what's he doing then?
Now, what he's trying to do is make the skin of the dim sum. Now, as you can see, he cut the bits out, and then he put it down, and then use a chopper to lie it flat, like a circle shape.
Yeah.
And then, when all is done, he'll just put all the ingredients, shrimps, inside there. Mainly it's shrimps.
So the pastry is basically flour and water.
You have flour and water, and then the ingredients.
You roll it out, flatten it out into a circle, and you put the prawn content in. Well, it looks
Yeah,
quite
that's right.
straightforward, really.
It's quite easy, actually.
Yeah. Can I have a go?
Of course, you can have a go. By the way, it will take Mr. Chen 6 years to master this.
Okay.
Okay, let him have a last look, and then you can have a go.
Oh, it's
陳師傅，俾佢試下，俾佢試下，俾佢試下。Come on.
I'm going to roll a little bit and squeeze it out,
Okay.
shall I? So we cut a little bit off,
Yep.
like that, and you roll it around,
Yes.
make that wet. Okay, and just flatten it out like that.
Yeah.
It's not bad, is it?
Not bad.
And then you just, I
Gradually,
noticed,
slowly.
slowly
Yeah.
cut this off.
Yes.
What do you think, Mr. Chen? Not bad, eh? Okay. All right. Now we put some of the shrimp mixture in there. A little bit more, maybe. Okay, and you fold it, yeah?
Yep.
Fold it like that.
In a triangular shape.
Okay.
And gently squeeze the end, as the shrimps are not supposed to come out.
Okay.
But that's why you need to.
I'll take some shrimp out there. There we go.
Yeah.
Push it up there. Of course, you know, I mean, it does take 60 years to master this, doesn't it?
Yeah. 6 years for Mr. Chen.
Well, that's, I mean, you know, that's not bad, is it, for a beginner? Great. Now, you never notice the difference.
Never notice the difference between these two.
Okay.
Okay, he's going to show you the last one again.
All right, last one then.
Let me see,
Now, you were watching carefully what I did, because I don't want you to get this wrong. Okay. You fold it over, and you just squeeze the end. Right.
Use his index fingers to start pushing it.
Right.
Pushing it.
Oh, I see. Well, yeah, I see. He's folding it the other way. Okay, that's good. I suppose when you know what you're doing, it's easy.
Yes.
Okay, so what's this one? What are we going to make here?
呢個係做咩嘅？呢個係
做包嘅。
This is a little bun.
A bun. Okay.
Yeah.
So can you show me how to make one of these? Great. Okay, shall we fill one of those up and then you show me how to do it?
You want to show? Yeah.
Okay.
Do it. I think it's supposed to.
I know. Yeah.
Turn it.
Turn it in. See, that's the you know the English way of doing it. There. It's
More or less
still
the same. More or less.
Okay, so what do we put in there then? Now, what do we do?
Put a bit of the mixture inside.
Okay. Pat it down. And you fold it basically the same way.
Yes, squeezing in like a spiral shape, like a spiral shape.
Spiral shape. Okay, fine. Well, I'm not going to attempt that because quite clearly, you know, although this is dim sum, I'm somewhat dim. So it's back to you in the studio.